Oh, so fine. Baby, you're looking good all the time. Oh, so fine. Baby, you're looking good all the time. Beep. You see this woman. She is a victim of hair, which I will show you in a close-up. Let's just show you what happens to people who have lots of hair on their shirt. You see, it looks okay from there, but then once you get close enough, look at all that hair. It completely changed the color. It's horrible. Now we're zooming out, and there we are. That shirt is covered in hair. What are we going to do about it? Well, we're going to use our hair remover. Our famous hair remover. You just get close enough and take off all the hair that you can get. There it goes, yes. All the hair. Wrong item. See, that doesn't work. That just left the hair. And here we are, the hair remover. Looking so fine in just a minute. There we go. All the hair should be gone now. Look at all that hair. Yeah, all the hair. Now, she should be looking fine. Beep. Oh, so fine. You got me looking all the time. Oh, so fine. You got me looking all the time. Oh yeah, baby, that is fine.